So north and south, we're going to put those together. Ooh, what happened? They attract. Watch. I'm going to let go and get them kind of close. Ooh. As soon as it gets a little bit closer, they attract. Now I'm going to put north and north together. See what happens. Oh, they don't attract. They repel. They push apart. Pushes it away.